Open FWAuto website. Click Copy command to copy. The installation command. Open PowerShell as administrator. Paste the command and press Enter. FWAuto AI interface install. Type FWAuto auth login in terminal. Follow prompts to complete authentication. Use CD to enter your project folder. Example: Renesas RA8T2 project directory. Type FWAuto help or enter chat mode. Enter a clear name for your firmware project. Project is now identified in FWAuto. Configure the E2 Studio CLI path. Specify your workspace and debug executable location. FWAuto can now find your build tools. Locate the J-Link executable on your system. Paste the full J-Link path into config .toml. FWAuto will call J-Link during deploy. Open J-Link flashlight and browse device list. Select the Renesas RA8T2 as your target. Device target is now locked in config .toml. Set baud rate default is 115,200. FWAuto will use this for UART logging. Open Windows Device Manager. Find your board under ports COM and LPT. Enter the COM number into config .toml. HiScans project and hardware configuration. Type please help to build environment. Press Enter to start the build process. AI generates the ELF executable file. FWAuto automatically deploys and flashes the firmware. Deployment complete confirms success. Execute the log command to start log analysis. Hi reads UART output data. Full diagnostic report is displayed. Hi identifies possible root causes. Example: baud rate mismatch detected. The analysis indicates that no errors were found because the log file is completely empty. Hi suggests next steps to resolve.